You can't see it clearly, you might not smell it, but one mistake with cryogenic materials can cause instant injury or worse. Extreme cold, rapid gas expansion, oxygen loss. Cryogenic hazards don't give warnings, they demand awareness. Welcome to the Cryogen Safety Online Training course by OSHA Outreach Courses, a concise, high-impact safety course designed for anyone who works with or around cryogenic liquids. In just 15 minutes, this course builds critical awareness to help prevent severe injuries, asphyxiation, fires, and explosions caused by cryogenic materials. Inside this course, you'll learn why cryogenic liquids behave differently and why they're so dangerous when mishandled. You'll gain insight into how extremely cold liquefied gases rapidly expand when released, displacing oxygen and creating serious breathing hazards, especially in enclosed or poorly ventilated areas. The course explains how contact with cryogenic liquids, vapors, or cold surfaces can cause immediate tissue damage, including frostbite, freezing burns, and skin adhesion, and why ordinary clothing offers little protection. You'll also learn how certain cryogenic materials increase fire and explosion risks by creating oxygen-rich environments or releasing flammable gases even from small leaks. Most importantly, the training reinforces safe handling practices, situational awareness, and the importance of proper protective equipment, ventilation, storage, and emergency response. Cryogenic incidents escalate fast and recovery time is limited. This course helps you recognize cryogenic hazards before exposure occurs, understand how oxygen displacement leads to asphyxiation, reduce risks of frostbite, burns and lung injury, prevent fire and explosion hazards, respond correctly during spills or emergencies. Awareness is the first and strongest layer of protection. Once you complete the course, you'll receive your certificate of completion, verifying your cryogen safety awareness and demonstrating your commitment to working safely around extremely cold materials. And because the course is only 15 minutes, it delivers essential knowledge without disrupting your workday. Build essential cryogenic safety awareness, reduce exposure risks, and protect lives with fast, effective OSHA-aligned training designed for real-world environments. To enroll now, simply click the link in the description and sign up for the course.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.